Today's video's topic is structure of bacteriophage. Structure of bacteriophage. A bacteriophage, also known informally as a phage, is a virus that infects, replicates within bacteria and archaea. The term was derived bacteria. Bacteriophages are composed of proteins that encapsulate a DNA or RNA genome, and many have a structure that are either simple or elaborate. Their genome may encode as few as 4 genes, that is MS2, and as many as 100 of genes. Phages replicate within the bacterium following the infection their genome into its cytoplasm. Next slide. That is bacteriophage. Capsid head, nucleus, collar, sheath, base plate, tail pin, tail fibers. Capsid head, nucleic acid. Now I discuss some important feature of bacteriophage. The most intensively group of phages belong to the T series number from 1 to 7, which attacked non-motile strain of Escherichia coli. All 7 of these phages are composed of DNA and protein, which are present in more or less equal amount. The DNA consists apparently of one continuous molecule tightly condensed in the phage head and enveloped with a layer of protein, except T3 and T7 phages. T3 and T7 phages tail other phages are reached with contractile sheath, or tails may be flexible without sheath. The tail in phages which attacked E. coli has a base plate spike is most cases at one end bearing 6 long slender threads. that is called tail fibers, which appear is provided with a collar. The contractile sheath is jointed to head by a narrow neck. Contractile sheath of tail is made up of protein and hollow tube like tail. Core contains lysozyme type of enzyme. Next slide. Here details diagram of bacteriophage. Thousand Armstrong head size, head protein, here DNA, neck, sheath, core region, tail fiber, that is bacteriophage. Thank you watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.